Hi guys, my name's Chris and I'm one of our customer service champions. Today we're going to be getting to know our Breakaway wireless adapter just a little bit better. Let's get started. So every Breakaway wireless adapter is going to come in packaging that looks like this. So you're going to want to open it up and pull out this black plastic tray. And as soon as you do so, you're going to see the product right here on top. Down below we've got our wiring that has our inline fuse, it's a little 20 amp blade fuse, and then our positive and negative wiring that goes up to the actual towed vehicle battery. The other two important things to pull out of the box here, the first one is going to be a plastic bag full of some zip ties and a couple of screws. You can use this to help mount the product under the hood. And then we've obviously got our user guide. This comes standard with every RVI product, and it's really important because it has our pairing QR code on the back. So make sure you keep this in a very accessible place. All right guys, let's take a look at what the Breakaway wireless adapter looks like when you're setting it up and then when it's in actual use. So to set up the Breakaway wireless adapter, the very first thing you have to do is make sure that your RVibrake3 is paired. You will not be able to pair the Breakaway wireless adapter until your RVibrake3 is paired to your system. So next you'll just go into your Add Device app like with any of our other products, and we're going to turn on Breakaway wireless adapter for RVibrake3. You'll see a pairing prompt just like you would on most of our other products here. And then what we're going to do is we're going to take our Breakaway wireless adapter user guide that we talked about earlier. We're going to hit pair, and then we're going to hold that user guide up to the viewfinder, and we're going to allow it to find that. And it just found our Breakaway wireless adapter. It'll tell us you did it, you're a genius, and we are all done. It's going to give you a brief tutorial that you can go ahead and go through, and then from there we are all set to start towing. Now, when we're actually seeing the Breakaway wireless adapter in use, it's going to show up in two different places. So the first is going to be under the RVibrake3 settings app. Down below the drive mode subsection, there is a Breakaway wireless adapter subsection, and that's going to show you the signal strength to your Breakaway wireless adapter. I've got ours pretty far away right now, so we only have 2 bars. Usually you'll see that at full strength though. The other place it's going to show up is actually in drive mode. So when you hit the big drive mode button up at the very top, and you go into your drive mode screen, you're going to see down in the very right hand corner the same signal strength indicator, and that's just telling you, hey, we're connected and here's what level of connection we have. So again, we have 2 bars because we're a bit far away, but normally that will be 3 because usually those are going to be no more than about 5 or 6 feet away from each other. And that's really all there is to it. Anytime in the future when you go to use the Breakaway wireless adapter, as long as your RVibrake3 is set up and ready to go, those 2 items will automatically connect to one another and start working. And again, just check for that signal strength indicator, but you're good to go. So as you can see, the Breakaway wireless adapter is a great product that just makes setup and use of your Breakaway that much easier. If you have any questions about the Breakaway wireless adapter or any of our other products, don't hesitate to reach out. We're available by phone, chat, or email. Thanks, and happy RVing.